Such a wonderful morning, everyone. Good morning, church. Good morning. So good to see all of you here joining us this beautiful Sunday morning, first of all, celebrating our Lord Jesus Christ, and of course, celebrating one of the most wonderful persons in our lives, our moms. Do you know that real men wear pink? According to 3 Samuel chapter 25:61, no, it's not. They said if you really love your wife, a husband will always wear pink. Because one of the hardest commandments that every husband have to hear from the Lord, he said this: husbands, love your wives. And be ready, even just like as Jesus Christ loved the church, and he even died for it. Do you know, for a man wearing pink, it is as if we are dying to ourselves. We hate it, we don't like it, but we wear it. And if you are wearing pink today, congratulations, would mean to say that you are